Ancient Egyptian architecture characterized by monumental stone structures made of mud brick and limestone, as well as intricate hieroglyphs exudes grandeur and symmetry. Notable examples include the awe-inspiring pyramids of Giza, the Majestic Temple of Karnak, and the captivating Luxor Temple. Flourishing from the Old Kingdom to the Ptolemaic period around 3100 BCE to 30 BCE, it reflected the religious beliefs and societal hierarchy of ancient Egypt, showcasing a harmonious blend of spirituality and architectural prowess. Ancient Greek architecture, renowned for its emphasis on symmetry, harmony, and proportion, showcased a mastery of columnar forms including Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian styles. It features meticulously designed temples crafted from stone and marble, often elevated for optimal viewing of their elegant proportions and light effects. Iconic examples such as the Parthenon, Temple of Hephaestus, and Erechtheion from the classical period between 800 BCE and 323 BCE embody the democratic, philosophical, and athletic ideals of ancient Greece.